Hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You know, it's Easter season here, so I knew I wanted to try out a fun Easter side dish. Usually when I think about Easter, I think about like fun Easter side dishes like scalloped potatoes or potatoes au gratin. So I kind of wanted to do something along that lines. Well, I did some research and I found out you can make a unique hash brown gratin using McDonald's hash browns, or those frozen hash browns that kind of look like this. I'll show you how to make it. Grab a bowl and give it a hug. We're gonna be using you. We're gonna start with 4 ounces of grated Gruyère cheese, a couple ounces of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 1/3 cup heavy cream, in equivalence to 3 cloves of minced garlic, some thyme, and some pepper. Mix to combine. And I'm pouring this into a prepared baking dish. I'm using an 8x8. So I have about 10 hash browns, and I'm gonna cut them into thirds. And I'm gonna be placing them in 3 rows right into my mixture with the circle part facing up. These are cooked hash browns, by the way. So it looks kind of like that. That is so unique looking. Well, I'm gonna cook this at 400 for about 20 minutes and rotate it halfway, and then I'll be adding something else on top. Okay, it's out and bubbling and starting to brown a little. Now you add a cup of those fried onions. You just sprinkle those right on top. Then we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, now you just let it sit for 5 minutes. Sit, Ubu, sit. Remember that? All right, let's scoop this out. Hash brown gratin. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. Very unique. I just love the taste of the Gruyère cheese. You can taste the garlic. Those onions on top are an amazing touch. Is it a good Easter side dish? It sure is. Who would have known you can make something fun with McDonald's hash browns? You know, those frozen hash brown patties, and they work great. I burned 2,000 calories today. I fell asleep with the pizza in the oven.